Hello, my dear children. We have been discussing the different plant tissues. We already studied the meristematic tissue, which are the different types of meristematic tissue. Now we'll be studying permanent tissues and the different types of permanent tissues. We already said in the previous class that meristematic tissues have the capacity to divide. The cells that are formed by meristematic tissue takes up a specific role and loses the ability to divide, and they form a permanent tissue. This process of taking up a permanent shape, size, and function is called differentiation. Permanent tissues are of two types, simple and complex. Simple permanent tissue consists of the same type of cells, whereas complex permanent tissue consists of different types of cells. Simple permanent tissue are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Let us see the function of each of these tissues and where they are found. Parenchyma tissue forms the basic packing tissue, which means that it fills the spaces between other tissues. The cells in parenchyma tissue are unspecialized and they have thin cell walls. They are live cells, they are loosely packed, and hence they have large intercellular spaces between the cells. It provides support to the plants and it also helps in storing food. Observe the picture of parenchyma tissue, both the transverse section and longitudinal section. Parenchyma that contains chlorophyll in it and performs photosynthesis is called chlorenchyma. And the parenchyma tissue which contains large air cavities to give buoyancy to aquatic plants which help them float are called aerenchyma. The next one is collenchyma tissue. This tissue is responsible for the flexibility in plants, which allows the bending of plant parts like leaf and stem without breaking. It provides mechanical support to the plants. It is found in the leaf stalks. The cells in this tissue are living, elongated, and irregularly thickened at the corners. You can see thickenings at the corners of these cells. They have very little intercellular space present in between the cells. Observe the picture of collenchyma tissue. The next one is sclerenchyma. It makes the plant hard and stiff like in the husk of coconut. The cells are dead, they are long and narrow. The walls are thickened due to lignin. Lignin is a chemical substance that acts as a cement and hardens them. Mostly no internal space is present inside the cell because of their thick walls. It is present in stems around vascular bundles. Vascular bundles means the xylem and phloem, in the veins of leaves, in the hard coverings of seeds and nuts. It provides strength to the plant parts. This is the picture of sclerenchyma tissue. Let us observe the section of a stem and locate the different types of tissues.